Hello friends, welcome to Chef Pratham's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make McDonald's style veg McPuff. So you can see that it's really crunchy and really nice. So let's start this recipe. Hello friends, welcome to Chef Pratham's kitchen. Here is your favorite chef Pratham Gupta, and today I'm going to make a new recipe which is McDonald's style McPuff. McPuff is really quick and an easy recipe with really crunchy vegetables in it. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start this recipe. So the ingredients for our McPuff are, the main first ingredient are veggies, which is 1 chopped onion, 3 to 4 chopped garlic, chopped ginger, green chilies chopped, boiled sweet corn, half capsicum chopped, and finely chopped paneer cubes. Now the spices are oregano, black pepper, chili flakes, salt, chaat masala, and for our dough we are going to use baking powder and salt. The next ingredient is for our dough. So the ingredients for our dough are 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Then over here for the sauce we are going to use pasta pizza sauce, which is easily available in market. Half cup grated cheese, oil for the dough, and for garnishing we are going to use finely chopped coriander leaves. So let's begin this recipe. So let's start this recipe. So we will take a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour in it. After adding, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, salt to taste, and then mixing it. And then we will be adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we will be mixing the oil and making our dough soft. And then now we will be adding little bit of water for making our dough. We will be adding little water. So we will be adding little more water and making a fine dough. Now we have to knead it properly to make a soft dough. In this way we will knead our dough and make a soft dough. After this we will add little bit of oil. After applying oil, we will keep our dough for rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will be making the stuffing. For our stuffing, we will take a bowl and add 1 chopped onion, half chopped capsicum, boiled sweet corn, red chili chopped, ginger and garlic finely chopped, and then chopped paneer cubes. So let's mix it. In this we can add carrot, green peas, and many more vegetables, but I am making proper McDonald's style, so I will be not adding it. Now we will be adding oregano, black pepper powder, chili flakes, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, and then giving it a mix. We will be giving it a proper mix, and then we will be adding grated processed cheese. Now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of Viva pasta and pizza sauce and giving it a mix. You can add tomato ketchup also if you don't have pasta pizza sauce. And one more tip, if you want you can saute these vegetables, but over here I didn't saute because I like crunchy vegetables in my McPuff. And the last and the final step for garnishing, we'll be adding chopped coriander leaves and then giving it a final mix. So our stuffing is ready. I have dusted little flour and then we'll be taking a small ball. Now we'll be rolling it in soft and a thin consistency. Our dough should not be too thick and not too thin. It should be medium because McPuff needs a little medium consistency dough. So now we will cut it in square shape. We will cut one from here, one from here, another one from here, and then from here. So now you can see that it has come in a square shape. Now we will be cutting it from the center and then we will be adding our filling in the center. Now we will be applying water on the edges and then placing the second sheet on top of it and then pressing the edges so that our dough we should not add excess filling inside the sheet, or else there are chances when we are frying them the filling coming out. So the next step is we will be taking a fork and then pressing the edges for extra safety so that while frying the filling don't come out. Our puff is ready, and doesn't it look like McDonald's McPuff? So now it's time to keep this aside. Now it's time for frying. We will be adding our veg McPuffs in oil in low medium flame and then frying them till they turn golden brown. Now it's time to flip them, as they have turned golden brown from one side, so we'll have to flip them now and then cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. As now you can see they have turned golden brown, so now it's time to take them out. Time to do the plating. You can see them, that how crunchy and how golden brown they have come. So it looks like McDonald's McPuff. Now it's time to do the plating. So we'll be taking a plating dish and then placing our McPuffs one by one. And the last and the final step is garnishing them with coriander leaves. So guys, please try this recipe at your home. Isn't this recipe really easy and a quick recipe? So guys, isn't it a really good recipe? So please try this recipe at your home. If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.